All right, guys, this is my review of the DEWOO Kitchen Backsplash. It comes with 10 sheets that are 12 by 12, and they are peel and stick for kitchen, bathroom, and fireplace backsplashes. So these are very sturdy backsplashes. They're peel and stick, so they're super easy to use. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys how these work. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. And as you can see, I've got my hands on these peel and stick tiles right now. I'm gonna tell you what, dude. I can't believe how far we've come. I'm one of those people, this is right up my alley. The reason why is I am one of those people with my own personal tastes, but I don't, it's not like I feel like I have to always spend a lot of money. Like this shirt is what? This shirt probably cost me like 12 bucks. But to me, when I put it on, it looks like I look and feel like $1,000,000. So, these glasses, they're blue light blocking glasses. I think they were like $7. So in my own life, I don't live by the rule of the nicer things cost more money and have to cost more money. And I think we're at a place now where even if you can't spring for like marble or more expensive upgrades in your homes, doesn't mean you can't have cool looking stuff. We are at an age where you can actually get peel and stick backsplashes for your kitchen, bathroom, or fireplace that look like actual legit marble. And I'm gonna be straight up, dude. These things, I feel like these things are gonna come out to you more in person than they will on video, because I've even got that light that's kind of reflecting on it. These things are so cool, and you can see that they literally, all you do is just line them up. You take the adhesive off and you line them up. They're that easy to apply. This is probably one of the coolest things I've come across as far as like innovations in value, where you can get the look of something that you really want that honestly, it's out of reach of most people. Now, it's like the value is crazy. So these are highly worth checking out if you want a high-end looking backsplash in your home, but don't want to spring for like marble and all that kind of stuff. I mean, the savings that you get from going this route is unbelievable.